This video is going to be geared more for some of my ham radio friends, or really anybody that goes to flea markets, especially electronic, ham fest, that sort of thing. When you're walking around the ham fest, always keep your eyes open. A lot of guys will bring in old electronic scrap and junk that instead of going to the recycler or the landfill, they'll bring it to a ham fest. And a lot of times they'll throw it on a pile and put free on it. That's what happened with this thing here. I was walking along the ham fest and I saw this thing laying there, and it guy had a few pieces of junk on there and it said free, but this is what caught my eye. Actually, this is what caught my eye here. Because if you look at it, on the back here, it has some what looks like power leads coming into this shielded compartment here. Then it has a BNC connector with an output that goes into this unit here. And when I look up here, I can make out Motorola with something underneath. I can't quite make out what it is. I have a feeling this is some kind of a master oscillator, but I won't know until I pull the thing apart. In fact, on the front it's got a HSO. I believe that may stand for high stability oscillator. Adjust. This must have come out of some kind of a communication system. I don't know what, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can pull this can out of here. There might be some goodies under here too, but I'm going to disassemble this unit, take this apart, and investigate what this is, because I think we might have a jewel hiding inside of this thing here. So stand by and we'll take a look at what that thing is. After pulling off a shield on this side, I found a circuit board in here. It's got some neat parts in it. Here's a, looks like some type of a crystal. I believe it's got a frequency 14.4. Oh, and here, this is looks like a Motorola channel element out of an old device. Motorola KXN, yeah. It's an old plug-in channel element here. 14.4 megahertz, 14,400 kilohertz. Ah, 20 meter ham band. What else has it got? Some chips in here. It looks like some CMOS chips and some specialized chips. Here's some kind of a, I don't know what this is. These might be kind of neat. Some adjustments on here. Down in the bay here, I disconnected the BNC. Let's see what this is. 5-volt regulator and a F2955. I think that's a PNP transistor, power transistor. If I remember right, they were used, there's a complementary, is it the 3055 and the 2955. They're NP and PNP complementary pairs. Anyway, I'm going to keep, I'll keep digging till we get the jewel out here, so I'll be back in a second. Here's the good stuff that I got out of here. It's a Motorola model KXN1130AA. Source code 1998. Frequency 5 megahertz. Yeah, well, it's got an integral power supply here. I don't know what it is, it's not marked, but it looks like it comes in through a fuse. It's got a transistor here, some type of regulation. This thing probably requires a pretty stable power supply. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hook this thing up to a bench supply and slowly bring the power up. I'm not going to go over maybe 12 volts. I'm going to monitor the current and see what happens. Then I'm going to connect this, the output, to a scope, and I'll look and see if I get any any action on this thing here. Here's 3 volts, 4 volts, 4.99988 megahertz. So that's definitely a 5 megahertz oscillator. Now my current is maxed out, I believe. Yeah, I'm going to hook it up to a different supply here that has a little higher current level here. Okay, I'm going to leave it at 12 volts. That seems to be where the current stabilizes. Well, here's the setup. This isn't getting warm at all. Here's the output. You can see here. 4.99988 megahertz. I imagine as this warms up. I'm running in 12 volts at a little over an amp, less than 1.2 amps. Yeah, I'll leave this thing running for a while and we'll see if it stabilizes. And the frequency has gone, it's getting closer to 4.99990 and rising. I'll put it on a actual counter here. I got a accurate counter. Yeah, I'll do that now and we'll see what it says. Here's the output on a better counter here. And it's slowly going up. 4.999936. 3.7. It's slowly rising here. See if it goes up another cycle here. There it goes up. 9.45. 6. It's climbing 1 megahertz at a time. Yeah, I have a feeling when this has been on for a while and that heater stabilizes in that thing, it'll probably get right on frequency here. It's slowly coming up. Let me stop and I'll come back in a minute. We'll see how close it gets to 5. I'll give it a few more minutes. So stand by. Well, here's one for sale on the internet. Motorola high stability 5 megahertz oscillator. Model KXN 1130AA. $320. And it ships in 3 to 5 business days. Condition used. An item has been used previously. The item may have some signs of cosmetic wear, but is fully functional and functions as intended. This item may be a return that has been used. Well, obviously it's been used because it's wearing cosmetics. Anyway, there you go. I guess they're still using them, or somebody is. Well, it's been running for about 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's 1 cycle away from 5 megahertz. It's been slowly creeping up here. I have a few, whoop, drop back. It wants to get up, there we go. Jump to 5. Now back. Come on, you can do it. There we go. It's getting warm to the touch. Here's the hot spot. There, 86, 87 degrees right about there. And it's about 70 down here. Yeah, it's getting warm. Yeah, this transistor's a little warm. Not too bad. And what are we running here? 12 volts at yeah, 600 milliamps, something like that. Yeah, it seems to have stabilized right at 5 megahertz. See if it jumps around. Up, back down to 4.9, up, and back to 5. Yeah, this is one you want to keep running for a long time. Anyway, when you're at a ham fest, keep your eyes out, you know, because you never know. You can get some of this old equipment, and a lot of it was commercial, and they had some pretty good parts in it. Even the main board over there has got some interesting components on it. So anyway, a quick tour of the Motorola KXN 1130AA. Hope you can find one at the next Ham Fest. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.